everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve a square root 70 times 71 plus times 72 times 73 plus 1 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So if I consider a as 70, so we can write this as a times 71 as a plus 1, 72 as a plus 2, 73 as a plus 3 plus 1. Now, I can write this as a times a plus 3, a plus 1, a plus 2 plus 1. Now, if you multiply, it becomes a square plus 3a times, and it becomes a square plus 2a plus a plus 2 plus 1. So square root a square plus 3a square plus 3a plus 2 plus 1. Now if I'm assuming a square plus 3a is equals to b, so it becomes b times b plus 2 plus 1, which is equals to b square plus 2b plus 1. Now it becomes a very famous formula, b square plus 1 square plus 2 times b times 1, which is a formula of a square plus b square plus 2 times a times b, which is equals to a plus b whole square, where a is b and b is 1 whole square. With the help of this square root eliminates, so it becomes b plus 1. The value of b is a square plus 3b plus 1, a square plus 3a plus 1. Now we know that a is 70, so let's put 70 square plus 3 times 70 plus 1. 70 square is 4900 plus 210 plus 1, which is equals to 5111. So this is the value. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay